If you've ever thought building a pergola was too complicated, think again. I'm Jen Woodhouse, and in the next 3 days, we're building 3 custom pergolas using Simpson Strong-Tie's Sage system. For pergola number 1, we've got a beautiful backyard space with a pool, and the homeowner really wanted some privacy, so we're gonna add some privacy slats along the back corner and some rafters along the top for some shade. And we painted it white to match the aesthetic of our home. It's gonna be a beautiful build. Let's do this. Drill, baby, drill. It's recommended per the installation instructions to add temporary bracing to the posts as you're getting them plumbed and straight. And here's a tip. One of the most important things is to do as much prep as you can so that you set yourself up for success. All right, the 6 posts are up. Now we're gonna slide the corner connectors and the middle T connectors on top. All right, we just passed a big milestone. We've got the posts up, the beams up. Now we're on the home stretch. We're gonna put these rafters in. I am so glad that we installed those concealed joist hangers while we were on the ground. Work smarter, not harder. This is the fun part. Looks good. Woo! Looks so good. We did it, it looks amazing. We added the privacy slats and the rafters above. The Sage system made building this pergola so straightforward and easy. You can customize it however you'd like. Now it is time to cool off. 1 down, 2 to go. Day 2, pergola 2. Today we're gonna be building a double pergola just like yesterday, but this one doesn't have rafters or privacy slats. This homeowner opted for a sunshade instead of rafters, and trust me, we are going to need it. This concrete slab is not level. It actually slopes away from the house, as it should, because you want water runoff to run away from the house. So for that discrepancy, we have to make the posts different lengths and make sure that the entire pergola and that structure is going to be level and true and flat. Now the next step is to drop the corner connectors and the middle T connectors over the top of the posts, securing that so then we can install the beams. I'm glad to have these burly men to lift all the heavy things. Look at this! This is up in minutes. All right, we are in the home stretch. We've got a few more beams to place, and then we're gonna install the sunshade, and then we are done. And we are still good on time, and the day is young, and we have got a pergola. We are in the final stretches of this pergola build. It's very exciting. The homeowner chose this solid color exterior stain. So we're going to go ahead and apply that before we install the shade cover. But we are getting so close. Day 2, Pergola 2 is done. This pergola had a few challenges because the slab was not level. It sloped away from the house, so we had to make some adjustments on site, but it came together beautifully. I love the colors that the homeowner chose. It complements their house so well. Pergola number 3, we will see you in the morning. For this pergola, it's the smallest of the 3 because the homeowner just wanted a little bit of shade right by the pool. Third day, third space, last pergola. All right, go. It's really coming down. It's coming down. I knew it was gonna rain. I could smell it. It's really coming down, like for real. The clock is ticking. I mean, it feels really good. Not conducive to working outside. Ugh. All right, final pergola, final day, final step. We're gonna install the shade and then we are calling this done. Three days, 3 spaces, 3 beautiful pergolas. By now, you've seen how easy it is to build with the Strong-Tie Sage system, and it sure makes a difference when you have great help. Three builds, 3 days, and 3 stunning spaces ready to enjoy, all made possible with Simpson Strong-Tie's Sage system. If you want to build your own, visit strongtie.com/sage system. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jen Woodhouse, and we will see you in the next video.